Oh my God! Alright guys, welcome to Mind Blower, aka Spine Realigner, aka the Noisy Cricket. Oh my God. Okay, I don't think the tracks were updated. Oh, there we go. It's smoothed out. So, one thing I'm not a personal fan of when it comes to this coaster. I love this coaster. One of my favorites. But there's some parts where I feel it across my whole body. Hello, Kissimmee. And I just realized why I don't like this coaster. Oh my God! No! Oh my God! We lost the camera. See that? You don't see the roughness. We lost the camera. See the roughness. Oh! Oh, that was first. Oh! Oh my God! Woo! Oh, that coaster. Hell coaster. Oh! Oh my God, is it over? Oh, not the bunny hop. What is it? High hop? Extra pancake and syrup. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Yeah. Yeah, no. It's still as intense as I remember.